This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the right driver and stance. This immediately affects launch and spin. Once chosen, place the ball just inside your front heel and set a neutral grip so your hands are relaxed but steady. Make sure your shoulders align slightly left of target to promote an inside-out swing path. Begin with weight favoring the back foot around 60% so you can coil. This creates power when you rotate through. Practice a few slow swings to groove the setup before full speed. Once done with setup, focus on a smooth takeaway. Turn your shoulders and hips together while keeping the club head low for the first half of the swing. As you transition, shift weight to the front foot and allow the hips to lead so the club can sweep upward through the ball. This low-to-high angle optimizes launch and reduces spin. Make sure to keep your head steady and check that the club face returns square at impact. If you rush, you'll lose sequence and accuracy. To finish, commit to a full rotation so your belt buckle faces the target. This confirms release and power transfer. Once done, evaluate ball flight. A slice usually signals an open club face or outside-in path, while a hook suggests a closed face or inside-in over rotation. If shots stray, slow your tempo and take 5 controlled swings focusing on rhythm and a square face at impact. Make sure to practice adjustments deliberately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.